Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Many people are curious whether it's possible to view someone's WhatsApp status without appearing on their viewer list. The good news is that there is a simple method built directly into WhatsApp that allows you to do this, and it doesn't require any third-party apps. When you normally view someone's status, your name appears in their Send By list. This happens because WhatsApp tracks views using the Read Receipts feature. So, the key to watching someone's status secretly is turning off Read Receipts before viewing it. To do this, open WhatsApp and go to the Settings section. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom right, then go to Privacy. Inside the Privacy menu, you will see an option called Read Receipts. Simply turn this option off. Once Read Receipts are disabled, you can go back and view the person's status. Because Read Receipts are turned off, your name will not appear in their viewer list. However, there is something very important you need to understand. When you turn off Read Receipts, you also won't be able to see who viewed your own status. It works both ways. In addition, if you turn Read Receipts back on later, your name may appear in their viewer list if their status is still active and within the 24-hour time limit. So if you truly want to remain invisible, you should wait until the status disappears before turning Read Receipts back on. Another method some people use is enabling airplane mode before opening the status. You first let the status load while connected to the internet, then turn on airplane mode and view it offline. After that, you must completely close the app before turning your internet back on. While this can sometimes work, it is not always reliable, so the Read Receipts method is the safest built-in option. Be careful about apps or websites that claim to let you secretly view WhatsApp statuses. Most of them are not secure and may compromise your privacy or data. In conclusion, the only safe and legitimate way to view a WhatsApp status secretly is by temporarily turning off Read Receipts in your privacy settings. It's simple, quick, and doesn't require installing anything extra. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple WhatsApp tips and tricks. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.